Welcome to video number 5, traffic source number 1, shoutouts. Here's how it works. Look for an Instagram follower who has massive following. Then approach them to see if they would like to, for a fee, promote you. There are not many methods that will get you tons of followers overnight, but this is powerful. There are some cool websites you'll want to use to find Instagram influencers, and I'll show you how to use them. There are also a few places you can go to get shoutouts. Keep in mind that when you grow your Instagram profile to the point where you really know your way around, you can do what I'm showing you now to make some extra money. There are a lot of people with massive Instagram accounts. They may be directly related to your lifestyle. Maybe, maybe not. This is another reason why you need to know your demographics. Let's say we can't find that special someone with a scuba diving Instagram profile. Then we would need to think outside the box. Look for something possibly like camping or something of that nature. Maybe they're not all about scuba diving, but it appears they have an interest in visiting the ocean and seeing the coral reefs. We find that they are actually campers. They love the outdoors and the traveling experience. You may need to look at other similar niches to find that perfect someone. Keep in mind that you won't always find that perfect fit, but when you do, that's gold. The first site on our list for shoutouts is shoutcart.com. And here's one called shoutotter.com. Here you'll have access to these shoutouts. This is plughype.com. You see several categories like fitness, recipes, health and fitness, yoga, and more. Over here we have buysellshoutouts.com. You can even go to fiverr.com and type here Instagram shoutout to find what you're looking for. When you find a profile that could work for you, make sure your demographics somewhat match. You can contact them for more information. Let them know that your demographic is male, ages 25 to whatever, and that you wanted to confirm that your audiences were similar to one another. They should have these answers for you. If they don't have the answers you're looking for, then don't use them. Always deal with knowledgeable people. Go to shoutcard.com. Once you create a free account, click on Browse up top to do a search for your keyword. By clicking here, you see that for a 2-hour shoutout, they'll shout out to their audience and say, "Hey, follow this guy over here." For 2 hours, it will cost you $5. For 24 hours, $10. A permanent shout out, $15. Pretty good deal. So, when you have some additional time, be sure to check this out more thoroughly. And don't stop here. Do your research to find other sites that can also work for you. Be careful when you explore Fiverr. Some people will create their Instagram profiles to appear huge in order to get them to pay for that large following. While it appears that they indeed have a large following, they may not have quality followers. The way to find this out would be to click here, or search for their name, and through your own due diligence, you'll figure this out. Ask yourself, are they getting comments? And what about likes? Are they just blasting to be blasting and not getting any engagement? Buy your shoutouts from people who have real engagement. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in our next presentation.